How to get career clarity with 4C3P coaching program. Career choice is a challenge that confronts almost everyone at some point of time. A career choice should be taken up seriously and not flippantly at the suggestion of your well-wishers because your friends have opted for it. Yes, it starts with you. Purpose is the reason you journey. Passion is the fire that lights the way. I strongly believe just knowing about the career choices which abound in the present times is a partial solution to getting career clarity. 10 years from now, make sure you can say that you chose your life. You didn't settle for it. Career choice impacts our life more than anything else. There are many significant things to be addressed before anyone takes this call. I want you to reflect that career is but one part of the bigger whole. That's your life. Hence, any career clarity decision pre-envisages knowing yourself first. Begin. Hold on. Pause. Reflect. Know yourself. Go for the inner discovery. You need life skills. You need better study skills. You need both external and internal exploration to evolve and excel. Yes. Are you assailed by doubts? Have no purpose, no direction, confused with choices, feeling stuck? Well, 4C3P Career Clarity helps you build your choice, skills, interest, aptitude, and personality. Invest your time and effort to get an experienced and seasoned mentor. You need competence-compatible career clarity to strengthen your purpose, passion, and principles. 4C3P course from a professional with a heart to speak to your heart. I'm Vinita Vohra with 28 years of work experience in schools with multi-boards, CBSE, ICSE, IB, and Cambridge. I am here to help you find your route to career clarity. Thank you.